In this room here, we have a functional bathroom within our showroom. We use a black wall, a very dark floor, and what is a very small room. Most would consider a very small room. You can have and use dark colors in a small space and not feel enclosed. Matter of fact, it can help make the space feel a lot larger. Now, the illuminated countertop and underlighting that you see on this cabinet here can be used for a variety of reasons. Mainly a soft, subtle light within the room itself, which can be a great feature in a master bathroom or even a guest bathroom, in the sense that you're not walking in the middle of the night, turning a light on and blinding yourself as you walk into the room. So what we see here is a back black painted glass door cabinet, giving us the ability to create a large amount of storage in a small amount of space without sacrificing quality and design in a small room. Very in today is the floating cabinet. We have more and more people asking for these newer modern concepts in the vanities, such as the floating cabinets. This particular manufacturer, Elmwood Custom Cabinets, has an array of vanity wall-mounted cabinets. They are meant to be and designed and engineered to be wall-mounted, as well as carry the weight of a countertop. We use the Obici Haze veneer on this, which has a very subtle movement, very crisp, clean lines, using the channel cabinets as well.